Using nothing but random mobile screenshots, this woman walked off with other customers' packages. What loop allowed her to pull it off? On Monday, January 13th, 2025, at approximately 1:29 p.m., LAPD officers spotted a familiar suspect at a Southern California Kohl's. Recognizing a known retail theft offender sitting in the vehicle, officers initiated an immediate parking lot investigation.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm Officer Watson of Vernon Hills Police Department.
Hi.
You mind shutting the car off for me?
Sure.
Just throw the keys up on the dash there?
Sure.
Alright, so the reason I'm stopping you guys is you guys did a retail theft at Kohl's.
I have...
Do you have your driver's license with you? You got your ID on you?
Can I show you my emails that...
So you're saying you got an email for what?
I have a Kohl's account, and I order stuff all the time from there.
Okay. They said you took something from a display table.
I didn't take anything from a display table.
Said he did.
Did you take anything?
What's that for? Is Kohl's on scene there? Or are they remoting in? So what is that for?
What?
This you got here?
Well, I just picked up self-pickups. I don't know if he... Did you take anything?
Okay. Do you want to see if they can have Kohl's do a show up? Yeah. So everything in this vehicle you paid for?
Absolutely. I'm a groomer for a living. I have a groom in this area. I mean, I don't know if he took anything. I certainly did not take anything.
So there's going to be nothing in this vehicle that's stolen? Just be honest with us.
No.
You have receipts for all of this stuff, right?
They're probably online or on my email.
Okay, do you want to pull it up then?
It's going to take me a minute. I mean, I have so many orders.
Nothing today, though?
What do you mean?
No orders today?
I placed an order today.
Do you have that on there?
Yeah. Today's the 13th. I placed an order for a pressure cooker, and it's in fulfillment, and it's going to get mailed to my house.
Okay. So you placed an order.
I placed an order.
Okay. So what did you get from Kohl's today then?
I had a self-pickup.
Where's the receipt for that?
It's usually in my emails, but my emails...
So just be honest with us. Did you not pay for that?
No.
You have a receipt for everything else, so...
I pay for I have 2 Kohl's accounts.
Okay.
I mean, I have emails that say self-pickup, in-store pickup, your order has been picked up. Go ahead, you can look in the trunk.
Okay. She's going to let us look in the trunk.
Can I?
Yeah, go ahead. You can go ahead.
45 vision.
These are my items.
So far.
This was a Christmas gift from Old Navy that I cannot return because it has a stain on it.
So where are the bags that you brought with you when you came out of Kohl's and got in the vehicle?
What do you mean?
They were bags, shopping bags like that. There are 2 of them. Where are those?
The stuff from Kohl's I put in here.
Okay. So you don't have a receipt for those though?
I do. They're in my email somewhere. I order so much stuff.
So how did you go pick it up though? Don't you have to show them something?
I had an pickup pass.
Okay.
Okay.
Where's that
You
at?
open the pickup pass, and then it tells you what bin it's in. Right here it says in-store pickup is ready. It's not letting me click on the email.
That's
In-store
stuff.
pickup is ready.
So you were in
Okay.
delete. But this isn't here.
No, that's at Chef.
Yeah. So what were you picking up here?
These items, I ordered Nike shoes
Okay, so
and some stuff for Christmas.
where's that order pick up?
That's what I'm trying to find. It's either in this email or my other email. My son has an account and I have an account. And I was showing the guy, he scanned the bags, and then I said, is there a problem? He said no, and he let me go. He scanned everything.
Okay, so let's see what he scanned.
He scanned the bag. I did not take anything on a display.
Where are the 2 small items you took from the clearance table? The clearance table that you took from inside Kohl's. Where are those at?
I didn't take any items from clearance. When I picked up something, I put it back.
They're watching the camera right now and they saw you pick it up. Just be honest with us, dude. Let's not make this anything bigger than it is.
I'm telling you what I picked up. I picked up a white cream jogging suit for my son, and I put it down because I called my baby mama. She said she.
Where's that at?
I put it back in the store. I didn't take anything out of the store.
They watched you walk out of the store with it and then take it out when you got in the car.
I never took anything out of it. You can search me. You can search the car. I never took anything out of the car.
Okay, so there's not going to be any stolen items in here. Was that? No, just hang right there for a second.
She pulled up her Kohl's app. She has an order today. Can you look to see? Okay, so this is no. Hold on. She said you could look at it. So this. No, how do we go back?
So this order placed today.
Right. That's being mailed to her house.
Yep. Okay.
What are they saying that was taken off of the display? Because I was stopped at the door.
He took the items off of the display.
Oh, okay.
When you got back in the car, did you see where he put the items?
I didn't even know he took anything.
And then how does this online order thing work? When you place this order,
When I place an order, they either mail it or it's an in-store pickup. If it's an in-store pickup, they'll either give a pickup pass and it'll tell you the bin number.
So where are these two in-store pickups? Because they said those weren't your orders.
Like I said, I'm going to go into my other, because this is my son's account. Because I like for us both to earn rewards, or Kohl's Cash, as it's called. So I'll go into my account. So my orders, I have like 7 pages of orders. So I don't know if you want to go through those. There's a lot of orders that I placed like around Christmas time, after Christmas time. So
which order you don't know which order you're picking up today?
I am a dog groomer. I groom dogs for a living. So that's why I placed the order to this store, because I have a dog I'm grooming today. This is my nephew. He helps me.
So she picked up orders that weren't hers, is that correct?
2 of them.
Okay.
She had no emails, no phone numbers. She didn't have a driver's license to show, nothing.
How did she pick the orders up?
To be honest with you, I have no idea. On camera, it looked like she had screenshots of something. So I don't know how she got the screenshots, but I know that if it's a screenshot and she gets it scanned, it's going to accept.
Okay. Do you guys want to press charges for that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we could trespass it too.
Okay. Do you know are you guys able to tell from your system whose orders those were?
One was a female. I can get more information once I figure out exactly which containers. It was a male, a foreign name.
Okay.
The other one was a female.
And then do you know what he took?
He took Nike boys clothing. It looked like he swiped the tan-looking pants off of our table and shoved them right underneath his jacket.
Okay, and they're tan Nike pants?
Yeah, they're like tan Nike pants. And to be honest with you, when he was pulling them out in the car, that's all I saw. It was just that, but it looked like 2 things he grabbed off the table.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Let's get them in the car and then we can sort the rest of this out. So where's what they scan for this? They have to scan it when you walk out, right?
No, I had a pickup pass.
And they just hand you a random bag. How do you know which bag?
They don't hand random bags. When you have a pickup pass, they give you a bin number.
Okay.
You go to that bin number and you pick up your items that you order online.
Okay, so
he stopped me at the door.
Where does it tell you?
He scanned the items and he said, okay, you're fine.
What item?
Sure.
Confronted by police, the female driver offered a confident defense, pulling up a chaotic wave of online order confirmations on her phone. Insisting she was just a dog groomer picking up legitimate online orders, she voluntarily allowed officers to search her trunk. Inside the trunk, officers uncovered unbagged Nike items and children's clothing with no physical receipts. Was this an oversight or organized fraud? Store security revealed that the woman used unauthorized barcode screenshots to trick the scanner and intercept strangers' pickup packages.
We're just going to the police station right now.
Charles Lincoln, 6378.
Do you want to tell us what happened today? You want to read him his Miranda rights? Hold on, we're going to read you something, okay?
I want to go to jail.
So Anthony, tell us what happened today. Like I said, honesty goes a long way with us. So.
I'll be honest with you, I took them. I didn't have the money to get the pants. I took them.
Okay. Who are they for?
My son, I took him. Okay. I don't want to go to jail though.
I know.
Sorry.
Okay,
Please.
we appreciate that. But we got to take you back to the station and sort it all out, okay?
Try not to twist your wrists. The more you twist them, the more.
Let's not turn this into something bigger than what it really is. So, what really happened?
I went in there and I picked up my in-store pickup. When the gentleman scanned the bags, I said, was there a problem? He said, no, you're okay. So I left. He went in to go to the bathroom. I don't know if he stole anything. I have no idea.
You have all the other orders that you've made, but you don't have the ones from today that they're saying were stolen. How does that explain to me?
I
how
don't
that makes
understand
sense.
how they say they were stolen when the guy scanned the items and told me you're fine.
Because you scanned a barcode that's not in your app there. I don't know where you got the barcode from.
He scanned the barcode.
Yeah, but you showed him a barcode on your phone.
No, he scanned the barcode that was on the bag.
So how do they know it's you when they give you these items?
I have no idea. I said, is there a problem? He said no.
Okay.
I said, okay. I do have ones from today. I did pick up 2 items today at Stratford Square Mall.
Where are those?
Those are in my emails here.
All right, so here's what we're going to do. So we have Kohl's saying that these items were taken today, and they've got video of it.
These?
The ones you picked up today. They're not yours.
These, okay.
So you're going to come back with us to our police department while we sort this out, okay?
Am I being arrested?
I'm going to be honest, right now we don't know. You're being detained till we figure this out, okay? As far as an arrest, I don't know about that yet. So let's go back to the station, we'll talk about it, and we'll figure it out. But we are going to take this stuff and talk to Kohl's and figure out...
I have over $1,000 worth of grooming equipment in my car.
Okay, where's it at?
In the back seat.
Okay. Well, like I said, we're going to park in this lot right here.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so in the meantime, I do have to put you in hand.
I'm disabled. I've had a skin graft. I just want you to be aware that I can't stretch it back like this.
Okay. Let's stop right here. All right, do me a favor, spread your legs for me. Next time, just pat you down and get sure you have nothing on you, okay? Okay. All right, let's walk back this way.
On my phone.
Yep, we'll grab it. I take a seat, watch your getting in. At least it's warmer.
If you could pull up my sleeve, you'll see my arm.
Sorry.
Well, we're going to get you back right now, okay?
Okay.
I told him just to take her to investigations so we figure out.
I'm guessing this was stolen.
You admitted to it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Is there anything else back there like that looks like new merchandise?
No, this is all the dog grooming stuff here. We got a dog bag.
What's about to happen, man? 'Cause
We're
I
gonna-
know I should have been honest with you guys the first time, man. But I ain't gonna lie to you. I was scared, man. I don't know what's gonna happen.
The wallet too, right? You stole that? The Timberland wallet?
I didn't steal that. That's my wallet.
We gotta figure out how much those items were from Kohl's, and then we'll go from there.
I can tell you. I can tell you how much they were. So
Yeah, we're gonna figure that all out. It might just be a ticket and you're good to go, or we got to see what else we got going on here.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I apologize to
Okay.
Mr. Bester Watson.
I got you.
apologize, man.
I got you.
Under California Penal Code Section 490.4, coordinating unauthorized barcode screenshots to intercept customer orders constitutes felony organized retail theft. While the woman spun frantic excuses about her grooming business, her male passenger suddenly offered a confession that shattered her entire story. He admitted to stealing 2 pairs of children's Nike pants directly off a display table, giving officers immediate probable cause for custody. Tension spiked as officers moved to handcuff the female suspect, who suddenly screamed and claimed she was disabled from a fresh arm skin graft. Faced with a conflict between arrest protocol and localized injury, how would the officers navigate safe mechanical restraint? Demonstrating field professionalism, officers adjusted to a modified, loose restraint alignment to protect her graft while securing transport. Her charges were upgraded to advanced felony tiers after store databases revealed an extensive criminal history of prior property convictions. The critical takeaway? Automated pickup systems silently log precise digital footprints, ensuring short-term anonymity is an absolute legal illusion. What are your thoughts on this mobile barcode exploit and the officer's restraint tactics? Leave a comment below and subscribe for more legal breakdowns.